Integrity, honesty, and respect.
Those words describe the core values of the Huffines operation that started in Denton in 1924. J.L. Huffines Sr., whose portrait now hangs on corporate walls, is the man who first sat in the driver's seat.
My grandfather grew up on a farm, and he started working at a garage repairing automobiles, but he was the person that worked with the customers and did the books and everything, and the other person was the one that worked on the cars.
Back then, you could buy a new car for a whopping $265. Today, that money will get you a portable Yeti cooler off Amazon.
FedEx truck is here.
Ray Huffines, the third-generation Huffines owner, says times have changed and so have the cars.
And there's so much equipment and things that have been added to automobiles as standard equipment even, so it's pretty hard to compare.
Some say almost a century ago, Huffines Sr. will get you on his sales pitch for Willys and Overlands. In just 3 years, the business expanded to the Chevrolet franchise in Louisville.
Well, my grandfather was in the business for many, many years in Louisville, Texas, with the Chevrolet franchise. My dad grew up in the business, J.L. Huffines Jr., and he wound up getting a dealership of his own in Commerce, Texas, Chevrolet, and then later added Pontiac and Buick to that dealership. I grew up in the business, working in the summers, learning the business that way.
Ray says the business became his passion.
It's exciting because you never know what's going to happen.
95 years of business, decades of changes and shifts in the economy. Ray says much of their success comes from the faith the company relies on.
So we contract with the marketplace chaplains. They come and develop relationships with all of our team members. They come on a regular basis, and when a team member has an issue, the chaplain is there to help them.
Ray believes if you invest in your team, they will succeed. And they have. The new Corinth location is expected to open in May.
I don't know how much longer I will be in this position, but my son is in the business, and the plan is that we could see if we can take it to the 4th generation.
A legacy continuing to build on integrity, honesty, and respect. For Real News, I'm Sarah Macias.